Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Toyota key fob. You're going to need the 2016 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description that will take you straight there. You're also going to need a flat blade screwdriver. About this size is fine. So right here, there's a little indentation. You want to take your screwdriver and just push in there and twist. Once you have that out, kind of pry that back half off. Take your screwdriver here, pry out this piece. Now I like to take my screwdriver and insert it right here and just pry these two apart just like that. There's access to your battery. Really a smaller screwdriver here is best, but this one will do the job. Take your old battery out, the new one goes in like so. Then you want to close this up. You can test right here, make sure you got your red light. Put this back in, only goes one direction. Squeeze that together and you're all set. There is no need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.